Are you swimming all by yourself? Ooh, that's tricky. Spinning in circles? Can you swim towards me? Can you swim to me? What? Look at you swimming. You're kicking. Do you like swimming? Good job. That is tricky. You look like a little fish, Austin. You look like a little fish.
Yeah. No, it's Riker's medicine. No.
Yours is at home.
Did you tell Mama thank you for my swimming?
Okay, Austin, you ready to go home? Oh, you want to see Brock? Okay, come on in and see Brock. You're doing it!